Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we, the family, are here in Alaska. We are just leaving Sitka over at Crescent Harbor. Can't really see Sitka right there, but we are on an Al Marine boat and we are heading to our 20th season in Alaska. This is 20 years working at the Burghoff Wilderness Lodge, and it's been kind of a whirlwind the last couple weeks. You know, we ended up going to St. Jude in Memphis, and then got great news there, so we could, you know, continue on with our lives. Moved over to Lake Champlain, had a great tournament there.
Made the championship.
Made a check, made some money that we could spend right here in Sitka. And then now we are up here. So it's been, we're pretty exhausted if you can't see it in our eyes right now. But we are really happy to be here. So if you guys haven't followed this channel for very long, you know, just to kind of bring you up to speed. So I've been working up here for 20 years now, since 2020 or 2005 is when I started, but I missed 2 seasons. And so, you know, this has been a fixture in my life for forever. Katie's actually worked up here for a couple of years, or like 5 or 6 years. This is Riley's very first time. Riley, are you excited about Alaska? She is. We're not gonna put her on camera just because she's a little shy today. She doesn't want to be on camera, and that's totally fine. I don't want her to do anything she doesn't want to. But yeah, so we come up here every year and guide at the Burghoff Wilderness Lodge. We catch halibut, salmon, go up the rivers, catch, you know, dolly, barred, trout, and you know, salmon as soon as they hit the fresh. And so yeah, it is just a really cool job that I will continue to do as long as they'll let me. Yeah, we're very privileged to be able to do it, right? Yeah. So it's really nice to be able to have them up. You know, Riley's first time. I wanted to make sure that she got this experience early. You know, and
I was pregnant one year, so technically her second.
Yeah, she was up here, but you know, you can't really experience Alaska from inside. But yeah, so I'm gonna be here for 3 weeks. They're gonna be here for 2 weeks. So we're gonna be.
We were able to get off the dock a little early this morning, and with good conditions, we should make quick time over to the lodge in Kilbank. But with a little bit of extra time here, we do have a couple of whales that are breaching and slapping tails in front of us here. So we're gonna take a minute to get a good look at these guys. If any of you are interested,
go look at the whales. Go look at the whales. All right, guys, so we're not going to slow down really to watch them for too long. Look at that, Riley. Look at the whale. Look at the whale. You see the whale tail?
It's like poultry.
Whoa. Wow. Riley.
Oh, he's waving goodbye.
He's waving goodbye. What a great goodbye. Whoa, what a good whale.
What a good whale.
All right, that couldn't get any better than that. So we're gonna keep on going, head to the lodge. But well, I mean, that says it all right there. It is such a great experience. That's the reason why we come up here every single year. And so I'm really excited to get this season started. So I'll bring you guys along. We'll try to do as many videos as we can. Whenever we're up here, it's really hard to keep up with content, just because we're working really hard and long days. You know, 4:30 to 9 every single day. So really, my goodness, what a send off. So really not a lot of time to do a lot of content, but I'm gonna try my best. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Wish us luck and safety up here in Alaska. I know we're gonna have a blast. So I'm gonna hang out with the family and enjoy this ride. See you guys out on the water. Trust the process.